Hi. Leaders are born, not made. Have you heard of this? How many of you agree with this? You all agree with this? I have to take an exception from what Vishal said yesterday. He said when your audience agree, you have to agree. But here I have to disagree. I have to disagree. Leaders are not born, they are made. They are made here. Otherwise, we all would not have been here. We are here to become leaders. What is leadership? What is leadership?
Leadership is basically inspiring people and getting work done, you know.
Good, very good. Yeah.
Giving direction.
Direction, excellent. Anything more?
Managing uncertainties.
Leading people or leading a nation.
Yes, yes. Do you know that you are all leaders?
I think leadership about leading yourself so that other people can follow.
Correct. So now, do you know that you are all leaders? So today my topic is discover the leader within you. Discover the leader within you. That's my topic. So there is a leader hidden within all of us. The best example is that we have taken this initiative to educate ourselves, to train ourselves. Anybody forced you to talk to Vishal Sarkar? Nobody. Probably none of us were influenced or urged or forced by somebody that we should talk to Vishal Sarkar. It is an initiative that we made. We found during the course of our career, during the course of our life, that there is something we are missing or there is something that we can add on. Not necessarily missing, but we can always add on. And then we were looking for that, where we can add on. Perhaps somewhere we found this name, Vishal Sarkar. Perhaps somewhere we found his videos. Or somebody told us, yeah, there's a man, he's doing this. So we all came here, we spoke to him. And then we invested into this program. That makes us a leader. Then this is one very spontaneous example of what I am saying here. But then there are many cases when you own your job, you are a leader. When you are beautiful, you are a leader. So leadership is not born, is not necessarily born. There are few qualities of leadership that are born. Not an entire word as leader is born. Few qualities of leadership is born. Few qualities are inculcated during our childhood because of the surroundings around us, because the way we have been brought up, because the things that we have been exposed to, we have become, at various levels, we have become leaders. Now, would it be interesting to know that there are three types of leaders. There are three types of leaders. It's little difficult, so I have to read it out. Okay. The first type is laissez-faire. Laissez-faire is a French word which means leave it be. Leave it be in the sense you are a leader, you are talking, you are doing all the talking, but not necessary that all those who are listening to you will follow you. Like most of the saints, most of the Swamis, they give lot of speeches. But are they leaders? They are leaders. We acknowledge them as leaders. But then they preach. Whether you follow it or not follow it is up to us. This is one type of leadership. Then there is transactional leaders. Transactional leaders are a master, taskmaster. We call it as taskmaster. Like Hitler, like perhaps the kings of the olden days, the monarchies of the olden days, where they said, you have to do this. You do this, you get this. You don't do this, you don't get it. all our parents are transactional leaders. When we were in childhood, they told, you do this, you don't do this. They are transactional leaders. Then there is a third thing, whom we most of the times like to be. That's called as transformational leaders. Transformational leaders transform by their act, by their qualities, by what they speak, and by what they do. Gandhiji did Satyagraha all by himself. It is his act. That's how he became a leader. He followed everything that he preached. So this is typically the third one, is typically the leadership that we all want to be. But perhaps we somewhere, sometime start with transactional leaders as a taskmaster. As you start, you are a taskmaster. Because that's how we have been brought up. Our parents told us, you do this, you get this. You don't do this, you don't get it. And that's what we start with. But then over a period of time, maybe our exposure to the outside world, these books, everything, that makes us, we listen to inspirational speeches, then there is an impact of all of these people. Then we get into transformation leaders. Now, where do you think you belong to? Which stage are you? Are you in a transactional stage or a transformational stage? A very difficult question. And then this also depends upon the environment or the context in which we are speaking, or the context in which we are put to, according to which we enact. These are the three different categories of leaders. We always belong to one of these. So this is how I feel that there is a leader within all of us. So maybe from one stage to the other stage, we are always moving. Now, do you agree with me that there is a leader within you, and then he has been made, not born? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Thanks a lot.